In this video, I'll show you how to couch a gold passing thread in a circular shape. So first you want to bring up the needle a little bit beneath the gold passing thread and a little bit to the side like I just did. Now you're going to pull it back down, but you're going to fit it a little bit underneath the thread there and go in at a 45-degree angle. That way when you pull it in, it's going to pull the thread against the last thread. That way they fit snugly together. So here I do it again. Pull it out from a little bit underneath and then fit it a little bit underneath the previous inside thread. And go in at a 45-degree angle. And now pull, and then it will fit snugly together.